Assalamu alaikum, our dear students. Today we have a new lesson for our school, Qatar Technical School, and this lesson is for grade 10 using the Technical English 1. The title of our lesson today is Dates and Times. Before we start the lesson, let's have a look at the objectives of today's lesson. The first objective is listening for details, and the second is using 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock for telling the time. You need to open the course book pages 8 and 9 for this lesson. Okay, our first exercise for today is on page 8 in the course book, and it's exercise 1. Okay, listen to the sports results, نتائج. Add the positions, second, third, and fifth, and complete the times in the blanks in the chart. Okay, here we have a chart or a table. It is about the Athens. Athens is the capital of Greece, عاصمة اليونان, Athena. Athens Olympics 2004 official results, النتائج الرسمية. Men's finals 1500 meters. So نهائيات سباق الرجال ل 1500 متر. Okay, here we have the position. For example, first, second, third, and so on. We have first, we have fourth, we have sixth. So we need to add second, third, and fifth. الثاني, الثالث, الخامس. Okay, here we have names. Silva, Kiptanwi, El Garouge, Lagat, East, and Hishko. Okay, they are from Portugal. Silva is from Portugal, اللي هي البرتغال. Kenya, Morocco, المغرب, Kenya, Britain, and Ukraine. And also we need to write the times. Each one ran this 1500 meters. The first one, Silva, for example, in 3 minutes 34 seconds, 0.68. So what we need to do, the first one is Garouge, okay? So we need to add the time here. We don't know which one is the second, so we need to focus and concentrate to be able to write which one is the second, which one is the third. The fourth is this one, fifth we don't know, sixth is this one. And also we have to take care to write the times here. So we're going to do the first one together so that you understand what to do. Let's listen.
Unit 1, Recording 8. Here are the results of the finals of the men's 1500 meter race. In first place, it's El Garouge from...
Okay, so the man here said the first place is El Garouge. Let's listen.
Morocco. His time is 3 minutes 34.18 seconds.
So now here we need to write the time. Okay, so now you understand that he started by the first one, and let's continue.
In second place, it's Lagat from Kenya.
So which one is second? Lagat. So what should we write here? Second. 2 and ND, second. And then the time is there. Okay, I think now you understand what to do. So I will play the audio again from the beginning so that you write the answers. Then we can check together.
Unit 1, Recording 8. Here are the results of the finals of the men's 1500 meter race. In first place, it's El Garouge from Morocco. His time is 3 minutes 34.18 seconds. In second place, it's Lagat from Kenya. His time is 3 minutes 34.30 seconds. In third place, it's Silva from Portugal. His time is 3 minutes 34.68. In fourth place, it's Timothy Kiptanui from Kenya. His time is 3 minutes 35.61. In fifth place, it's Heshko from the Ukraine. His time is 3 minutes 35.82. In sixth place, it's Mike East from Britain. His time is 3 minutes 36.33.
Okay, now let's listen one more time.
Unit 1, Recording 8. Here are the results of the finals of the men's 1500 meter race. In first place, it's El Garouche from Morocco. His time is 3 minutes 34.18 seconds. In second place, it's Lagat from Kenya. His time is 3 minutes 34.30 seconds. In third place, it's Silva from Portugal. His time is 3 minutes 34.68. In fourth place, it's Timothy Kiptanui from Kenya. His time is 3 minutes 35.61. In fifth place, it's Heshko from the Ukraine. His time is 3 minutes 35.82. In sixth place, it's Mike East from Britain. His time is 3 minutes 36.33.
Okay, that's good. Now let's check the answers together. Okay, so Silva is in the third place, and this is his time. Okay, Kiptanui is fourth place, and his time is 3 minutes 35 seconds, 0.61. Then El Garouj, his time is 3 minutes 34.18 seconds. Thank you. And Lagat is in the second place, and this is his time. Okay, East, his time is 3 minutes 36.33 seconds. Thank you. And finally, Heshko is in the fifth place, and this is his time. Thank you so much. So we have now achieved our first objective for this lesson, which is listening for details. سمعنا الأوديو التسجيل الصوتي وطلعنا منه بعض المعلومات. Okay, now let's move to 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock. Sometimes in your watch you see, or in any watch or clock, you see that after at 1 p.m. it becomes 13, 14, and so on. Okay, so what we need to do here is to complete the table, read out your answers. Okay, here let's look at this table first. 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock. What we notice about the 24-hour clock, we don't write AM or PM. But here, in the 12-hour clock, we have to write AM or PM. Okay, so let's look at the first one, for example. Here, in the 24-hour clock, it's 7:50. So this is before 12 o'clock in the afternoon, قبل الساعة 12 الظهر. If we are using a 12-hour clock, we will see the letters AM, morning, صباحا. Okay, so here it's the same number. The only difference is just adding the AM. Here we don't add. Okay, so 17.30. Okay, it's 5:30 p.m. Okay, what we do is when we transfer from 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock, we take out 12 نخصم 12 and we add PM. So for example, let's look here, 1440. Okay, it's after 12, so we take 12, we take out 12. So what it becomes, sorry, it should be 2:40 p.m. Okay, and we have to add PM here. Okay, now take a look at this. Okay, if we want to transfer from 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock, we add 12. So here it should be 13:35, and we delete AM or PM. Okay, now take like 3 minutes to think for the answers. Think about the answers for these questions. You can pause the video now and start thinking about them. Okay, now after you have checked, finished the answers, I suppose, after pausing the video, let's have a look at the questions and the answers. Okay, we'll start from here. So it's 6:30 a.m. It's before 12 p.m. قبل 12 الظهر, so we don't add anything. Okay, so it remains 6:30. All what we need to do is delete AM. Okay, here we take out 12, so it becomes 3:15, and we add PM. Very good. Now, what about this? Should we add or take out? Very good, we add. So here it becomes, and what else should we do? We delete the PM. We add 12, so it becomes, sorry, it should become 16, and so on. This is number 3 and this is number 4. Here we take out 12, number 5, 16:45. Now let's move to number 6. Here we add also 12 and delete PM, so it becomes 13:35. Thank you. Number 7, we take out and we write AM or PM. Of course, we write PM, so 20:25 becomes 8:25 PM. Number 8, here it's less than 12, so we add nothing, or we don't take out anything. It's already less than 12, so it's 5:55. The only difference is AM. And finally, number 9, good, we should add 12, so it becomes 21:10 without AM or PM. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, and we're going here to do another listening exercise and write the correct number next to each watch. Okay, here we have some watches. They have the time and the date. So this is the 5th of November. This is the 30th of October. This is the 13th of December. And this is the 15th of September. Okay, and here we have PM. Okay, so you have to look at the time of each one. Here, look carefully at the clock and the hands of the clock. عقارب الساعة. Okay, now after we have studied these pictures and we looked at them carefully, let's listen and write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 in these squares. Okay, ready?
Unit 11. 1. It's 1835 on the 15th of September. 2.
It's 8:55 on the 5th of November.
3. It's 13:45 on the 13th of December. 4.
It's 14:55 on the 30th of October.
Good. Now, after listening, let's check the answers together. And of course, you can pause the video if you need to listen again. Now, let's see which is which. This is number 2. This is number 4. Picture C is number 3. And picture D is number 1. Okay, good. We also practiced here listening for details and studying the 24-hour clock or 12-hour clock. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to do the homework after watching the video. Okay, good luck. See you later. Goodbye.